Hey guys, welcome to CryptoMax channel. This channel is about earning money with cryptocurrency. Today we are going to talk about Multiversum project. This video review will be dedicated to my English speaking audience. Let's get started.
Jungle.
The pioneer of cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, together with all its various clones and forks based on proof-of-work algorithm for transaction validation, are considered first-generation blockchains. The second generation, with Ethereum leading the charge of smart contracts-enabled blockchains, is instead more heterogeneous, allowing easy tokenization of assets. Both architectures have extremely low energy efficiency and medium-low block validation speed and transactions per block. Solving the scalability, speed, and energy consumption issues is the goal of third-generation blockchain solutions, using different approaches and techniques like proof-of-stake validation algorithm, off-chain routing, graph chains, and complete or partial centralization. The fourth generation is going far beyond this, achieving faster and more scalable solutions and trying at the same time to become competitive from a business perspective. Simple chains of data are not flexible enough to fulfill corporate environment needs, in which complex data structures need to be organized in tables, as in relational databases. At the same time, those structures need to be validated and made immutable with blockchain-based techniques, increasing traceability and security. In other words, fourth-generation blockchain brings this technology to a complete primary production application and expand current business-oriented offer in terms of data storage, application decentralization, auditing, security, reliability. Multiversum offers complex data organization instead of data sequencing, chain splitting and rejoining to allow for greater scalability and parallelism, and the concept of proof of integrity validation, instead of existing proof of work or proof of stake solutions. Furthermore, Multiversum will feature ERC20, ERC23 integration, allowing coins and tokens from other solutions to be hosted on our chain and vice versa, with notary services as an external confirmation method. Meanwhile, together with these innovations, we are certainly going to make use of several good solutions that our colleagues already implemented over time. Multiversum technology pushes a traditional blockchain beyond its current limits by enhancing the data layer through self-verifying and distributed structures of organized data entities, related one to another by symbolic links. This technology set the foundations for a decentralized and distributed system of coherent self-verifying transactions, Multiversum blockchain. Multiversum allows, instead of the existing blockchain simple data model, the creation of a relational crypto database, which can handle not just a single data type but a series of data groups in graphs of complex data structures related to one another. Relations are no first-class citizens of the blockchain and are assured by cryptographic methods. Each one of them, when a state change is requested, will have its own subchain splitting from the original branch that will rejoin after the operation in order to be validated. Therefore, Multiversum is an evolved blockchain technology, offering unique features to overcome the previously analyzed inconveniences with a set crypto validation and distribution techniques fit for every environment: administrative, industrial, financial, and governmental. One of Multiversum's main targets is to offer the market in every moment the most evolved product available. This will be possible adopting an AGILE for software development methodology. AGILE methodology implies a drastic reduction in initial project design involvement in favor of valorization of experiences encountered during project development, which show opportunities and threats hardly predictable extent, rewarding best practices and leaving behind the inadequate ones. AGILE is an established software development standard and urges developers, product owners, and investors to consider project scope 5 as flexible and readily adaptable to market needs. Furthermore, in such a rapidly evolving sector as software, releasing a product after 6 months of study and a year of implementation, when it was conceived to match the market needs of 18 months before, means offering an absolute product which gives answers to outdated issues that have maybe been solved by competitors and lacking of responses to just created challenges. AGILE instead gives the chance to offer to the market the most innovative product at time of delivery. One of the strengths of this technology is indeed speed, thanks to its ability to run different transactions parallelly and the split rejoin mechanism of our blockchain. These features allow for greater horizontal scalability and increased processing transactions capacity, adding additional computational power to the existing one, making each node count performance-wise. Multiversum benefits from two specific features to maximize system efficiency. The main chain is able to optimize its structures by splitting autonomously in multiple subchains according to requested resources and data streams, parallelizing the work across multiple threads and nodes. This chain split process is executed until the normalization of workloads. When still autonomously, the chain will become whole again. All of this is possible because of a technique allowing every block of the chain to validate two different subchains from two different incoming links. Data sharding 6, a technique that allows data distribution among multiple nodes. This subdivision permits higher processing speed of transactions, as data queries will impact only subchain nodes, optimizing each step. Another extremely important feature of our technology is high availability 7, the chance of relying on a cluster type that ensures continuity of services even in case of shutdown of some nodes in the network. Using the previous example, A, B, and C nodes, should C go offline, A and B nodes would still remain completely operative, allowing continuity of service without any kind of data loss as far as 50% plus 1 of the nodes remain operative. This way, in case of multiple node failure, the cluster will autonomously reorganize data distribution, communicating with every node until complete operational recovery. Multiversum is also eco-friendly. One of our main goals is to lower the computational power needed for cryptographic validation, therefore avoiding mining, a huge waste of power and resources. Instead of this obsolete technique, we are implementing proof of integrity, a protocol that performs cryptographic validation by checking the authenticity of the software that resolves every persistence of the transaction. This advanced solution, able to manage complex data scenarios, will allow people to implement any kind of application on our technology, ensuring worldwide institutional, governmental, financial, and industrial diffusion, bringing the whole blockchain universe one step forward. I highly recommend you to pay your attention to this project. This project has already got $10,300,000. Once again, I want to repeat that through blockchain you can get good profit if you buy token in time. Thanks for watching my video. Put your likes, subscribe to my channel. Wish you good luck.